Hey there, amazing viewers. Welcome back to Better Being Blueprint, the space where we unravel the wonders of the mind and explore the endless possibilities of personal growth. Today's topic is a game changer: how learning builds new synaptic connections in your brain. Spoiler alert, it's not just about gaining knowledge, it's about transforming your brain's architecture. Let's dive into the neuroscience behind this fascinating phenomenon. The brain's remarkable plasticity. The human brain is an incredible organ with a superpower called neuroplasticity. This means that our brains are not static. They can adapt and reorganize themselves. One of the most exciting aspects of neuroplasticity is how learning sparks the creation of new synaptic connections, the bridges that allow information to flow between neurons. Think of your brain as a constantly evolving cityscape, with learning as the construction crew building new roads and connections. Synaptic Connections 101. Now let's break down what synaptic connections are. Synapses are the junctions between neurons, where information is transmitted. When we learn something new, whether it's a fact, a skill, or a concept, our brain forms new synapses. These connections facilitate communication between neurons, enabling the transfer of information. Each piece of knowledge you acquire contributes to the intricate web of synaptic connections in your brain. The learning process. Learning is a dynamic process that involves various brain regions working in harmony. When you engage in learning activities such as reading, problem solving, or acquiring a new skill, neurons in different areas of your brain fire together. This synchronous activity strengthens existing connections and encourages the formation of new ones. It's like a synchronized dance, where each step represents a new synaptic connection forming. Importance of lifelong learning. Lifelong learning isn't just a catchy phrase, it's a prescription for brain health. As we age, the brain naturally undergoes changes, but continuous learning can slow down cognitive decline and enhance cognitive function. Engaging in intellectually stimulating activities keeps those synapses firing, maintaining a robust and resilient brain. The more you feed your brain with new experiences and knowledge, the more vibrant and adaptable it becomes. Diverse learning experiences. Variety is the spice of life, and it turns out it's also the key to building diverse synaptic connections. Expose yourself to a range of learning experiences, from reading and writing to engaging in artistic pursuits, learning a new language, or picking up a musical instrument. Each unique activity stimulates different parts of your brain, fostering a rich network of connections. Your brain craves novelty, so go ahead and embark on a journey of eclectic learning adventures. Practical tips for building synaptic connections. Now let's get practical. Here are some tips to actively build new synaptic connections in your brain. 1. Learn continuously. Make learning a daily habit. It doesn't have to be a monumental task. Even small, consistent efforts can make a significant impact over time. 2. Challenge yourself. Step out of your comfort zone. Choose learning activities that stretch your cognitive abilities, prompting your brain to adapt and grow. 3. Stay curious. Cultivate a curious mindset. Ask questions, explore new topics, and embrace the joy of discovery. Curiosity is the fuel for synaptic growth. 4. Social learning. Engage in discussions, join study groups, or participate in collaborative learning experiences. Social interactions stimulate brain activity and enhance learning. Remember, your brain is a learning machine, and every effort you invest in gaining new knowledge contributes to its vitality. And there you have it, the incredible connection between learning and the formation of new synaptic connections in your brain. If you found this exploration fascinating, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more mind-expanding content, and share your thoughts or learning experiences in the comments below. Until next time, keep your neurons dancing, stay curious, and embrace the transformative power of lifelong learning. Take care.